Hey, what's up? My name is Smia and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I want to talk about the fastest way to get results in your network marketing business. Now, if you're new to this channel, one of the things that I do is I teach inspiring entrepreneurs how to start and grow an online business. So if you are here because you're working your 9 to 5 and you're looking at a way to move forward in life and you want to start and grow a business online, then you're definitely in the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any future episodes. Alright, so one of the fastest ways that you can start getting results in your network marketing business is through doing this one thing. And this is something that's really a no-brainer. Everyone already knows what it is, but I want to put it out there again because it's something that is easily neglected. People are not doing this in any business that they have, and this is one of the reasons why most people are failing at an online business, especially like network marketing, even affiliate marketing, some type of digital marketing business. You're failing at this because you tend to neglect having conversations. And this is so important because you can't be in a business like network marketing if you're not networking and having conversations. You need to be talking to people if you want to generate a customer base, and if you want to grow, you need to be having conversations if you want to build an organization. And this is one of the things that a lot of people have a problem with because they're scared to talk to people. You want to build your business, you want to get more customers, you want to help people, but you're not talking to enough people and having enough conversations with people to go through those numbers. So if you're not having conversations with people every day in your business, then don't expect for your business to grow, because it's so important for you to be able to talk to people about your business and talk to people who may be interested in starting a business. And if you're not talking to people, then you're not really growing and you're never going to build. If you're looking at growing your business, then you need to start having more conversations. Now, if you're one of those people who, know that you're not going to be talking to a lot of people, or that you don't have a lot of people to talk to, you need to start coming up with a game plan on how you can reach more people. And that's one of the things that I do here on this channel is I teach people how to grow an online business. One of the biggest downfalls to people quitting in their network marketing business is that they run out of people to talk to. And typically it's the warm market that network marketers run out of. You run out of your family and your friends. You've already talked to all of these people, and now you feel like as if you have no one else to talk to, when in actuality that's not the case. You have plenty of people to talk to. There's billions of people around the world, and you have options. And one great thing about having an online business is that it gives you more reach so that you can have more conversations with more people. Whether it's through video marketing or social media, there's a lot of ways in which you can reach out to people and start talking to people about your business opportunity and about your products. So I think that you guys need to start having more conversations, and if you want to learn how you can get more reach online and how you can get more people to talk to, whether it's you reaching out to them through prospecting or if it's through marketing where you've got, attraction marketing where you can get more people coming to you versus you coming to them, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because on this channel I'm teaching you guys tips and strategies on how to grow your online business, get more people to your organization. Also, if you're not in the network marketing business, that's completely fine. This channel is really for people growing an online business, and those are some of the tips and strategies that I'm going to have here. So this video, of course, is about network marketing, but you can take these tips and strategies and apply them to other businesses. So if you're on this channel and you're looking to learn to start an online business, then you're definitely in the right place. And if you like what you heard today, then go ahead and click that thumbs up button. It really does help my channel. I appreciate it, guys. So now let's get back to what I was talking about when I talked about conversation. This is a network marketing business, and if you plan on building an organization, you have to talk to a lot of people. There's no way around it. You can't talk to 5 people a month, one person every single week. You have to talk to more people than that. So if you're struggling in the areas of having more people to talk to, then you need a new game plan. And looking at a way to grow your business online is a very good game plan because, like I said, it can give you more reach. What I want to do is I want to encourage you to start an online business so that you can have more options and more reach, reaching more people who really are interested in network marketing. I know for a lot of you guys who are probably out there talking to family being friends. You feel as if no one is interested in this type of industry. And to be honest with you, there are a lot of people that are interested in network marketing, and you're really just looking for that ace. That's all you're doing. You're looking for that person that's interested in building a business, having time freedom, whether it's having more financial freedom or whatever the personal goal is. There are people out there that are really interested in this type of industry. You just need to have enough conversations so that you can find that ace. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Like I said, I'm going to be putting out more videos, giving you guys tips and strategies on how to grow your online business. And if you want to learn more about how you can market your business and do more prospecting for your network marketing business, then make sure that you check out my latest video on taking your business to the next level. So guys, I hope you got value out of this video. Click that subscribe button, come back and visit me, and do not miss out on any future episodes. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.